Let's look at 7. Asking us if 2x minus 3 times x plus 4 equals negative 5, then what is x? Number 7, I believe. So I have 2x minus 3 times x plus 4 equals negative 5. So what we can do here is we can multiply in, right? And what we're doing here, I really don't know what they're doing here. This is, oh, I do know what they're doing here. Okay, so I have 2x minus 3, and then this here is times x plus 4, right? So what I want to do is I want to expand or use distributive property on these two guys first. So this 3 is going to be multiplied by both of these guys here. So I have 2x, and then minus 3 times x will give me minus 3x, and minus 3 times plus 4 is going to be minus 12 here, which will give me negative 5. 2x minus 3x is simply just negative x, minus 12 equals negative 5. And then I can simply add 12 to both sides to get x alone, right? So negative x equals negative 5 plus 12. So negative x equals negative 7. Or sorry, positive 7. And finally, I can divide both sides by negative 1, right? So this is divided by negative 1. X is going to give me negative 7. And this solution here is correct because they got x equals negative 7 as well. So the solution here is correct. I just don't like how they did this thing here when they should have done distributive property. This doesn't really show distributive property here. I guess actually no, it does, because you have negative 3 times x and negative 3 times 4, but I think you can read this a little bit better. But I guess I can see how they couldn't be due to formatting, so that's totally fine. Because they have negative 3 here. It's going to be multiplied by x, and then negative 3 times plus 4 here. So that's kind of how you do this problem. So the solution here is correct. Good analysis.